If you have periodontal disease, you should know that it can contribute to respiratory infections. Evidence suggests that the bacteria that cause periodontal disease can contribute to or worsen infections such as pneumonia, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. These bacteria enter your lungs through normal breathing and swallowing, where they can multiply and inflame lung tissues. This is especially true if you smoke, have a weakened immune system, or if you already have a respiratory condition. If we determine that you have periodontal disease, we'll recommend an appropriate treatment plan. We'll review your home care and schedule you for regular cleanings. We may recommend other procedures to remove the source of bacteria and allow your gums to heal. By caring for your dental health, you'll reduce your risk of respiratory infection and increase your overall health.